welcome to Style Me Up with Sakshi. Today I'm doing such an exciting video with Neha Doodles.
Yay! So, hello guys, this is Neha Doodles. I draw comics, I draw doodles, artworks. If you want to know more about me, you could follow me on Instagram, on Facebook. You get the gist.
You guys have to go follow her. I love her work.
I know, right? Like, I love myself too.
So today we're doing the blindfolded drawing challenge because I had to do it with the queen of drawing. I don't know why I got myself into this stupid stuff because I'm obviously not gonna win. I can't compete with the drawing artist herself.
Oh my
but
God.
I'm gonna try, and if I beat you, Neha, you have to give me a gift. You just have to.
You could like get this if you wanted.
This is so cute. Okay, so the rules of this blindfolded drawing challenge is we have some chits that Miss Neha has written for us. Basically, I just have to take out one chit and whatever is written on it, I have to draw that in 20 seconds, right?
While being blindfolded?
While being blindfolded, and also she has to guess within 20 seconds what I've written. If she guesses it right, then I get a point. It is madhouse because I don't think I can draw and I think she'll be pretty good at it. So
I don't really think so, but yes, let's give it a shot.
Let's give it a shot. Guys, I'm gonna do the first round of the challenge and I'm gonna pick a chit from this bucket and blindfold myself and try to draw what is written in that chit. I have 20 seconds and you have 20 seconds to guess.
Okay.
No, I hope you guess because then I'll get a point. Yes.
Eight second. Let's make this clear. So if I guess, you will get a point. Like the person who's drawing will get a point if the other person guesses. Is that it?
Yeah.
So if I intentionally do not guess, she doesn't get a point.
No, but you have to be fair. You have to be fair. That's not fair. Guys, okay.
I'll try.
Okay, where's the pen? Okay, what the hell? I have to see the chit first.
Okay, so... Okay,
Yeah, start.
let's start.
Okay.
Bindi. Ice cream. Paid. This is so horrible, whatever she's drawing. Is this a watch?
I can't see, obviously.
Dreamcatcher?
Yeah.
This is a very horrible picture, by the way.
Oh shit! This is not that bad though. This is how a Dreamcatcher looks.
Okay, so round 2, it's my turn now.
Your time.
1 second.
Your time.
1 second.
Your time starts now. Cycle, right? Right?
How did you guess this is a cycle from this?
It kind of looks like it. Like
है.
I'm so good at it, but then she gets a
You
point.
do realize I get a point with this now?
Yeah, but that's okay.
She was
I'm
so
really
excited about it.
Like I'm really proud that I could guess it by that. Kind of looks like a cycle.
Wow,
I'm
seriously.
happy. That's fine.
Well,
And I guessed it in like 11 seconds. Round 3. My chit is 2-1 start.
Tick tick 1. Tick tick 2.
I'm actually copying Rob from this thing.
Tick tick 4. Tick tick 5. 26, 27. Paris.
Yeah.
ये गलत है because I should have guessed like Eiffel Tower पहले.
Okay, this is so good. Obviously, you're supposed to guess from the hearts. It's the city of love.
हाँ मतलब ठीक है.
I get the point.
Round 4.
You just dropped one.
Okay, this is a good one because
All the best to you.
if people who follow me are following me, they'll know who I am drawing, okay? And if you do, leave the name in the comments below. And Sakshi has no idea what I'm talking about. You're not a loyal follower. You should like really follow me more religiously. Okay, 1, 2, 3,
Start. Oh shit.
I have no idea what I'm drawing.
This looks like a cow to me.
Yeah, because it is.
I'm killing this. I'm actually not killing this game.
Oh god.
Oh shit, you get a point.
What is this?
But this is so good and I got it under whatever
my
seconds. Okay, round 5.
I'm not going to guess this time. However good she draws it, I am not going to guess it.
Please be fair, okay?
Rat. French. You cannot write stuff, okay?
Of course I can if it is there.
She wrote an M.
So, like that is so good. Obviously, this is
You cannot write stuff. You wrote
This
M.
is brilliant. And because that's what's there on Mickey Mouse, right? MM, right?
This is
So that's
cheating.
fair.
I cannot
It's not cheating.
give it a
It's
point
not
for this.
cheating.
This is cheating.
It's not
यार
cheating.
मतलब M लिख दिया उसको टोपी बना दी तो मतलब किसी बच्चे को पता हो मिक्की माउस है. What is this? Run 6 छड़ा राउंड है जी.
और इसके लिए आपको बिल्कुल ऑल द बेस्ट नहीं है जी. 1 go.
I think I might have drawn something बेकार. हाँ?
I have no idea what
Why
this
are you
is.
not guessing?
Oh, 60 seconds out.
That is because you're not guessing intentionally. Okay, this is
It's not intentionally. I can't understand what you're saying.
You're not doing
I
it.
swear to God, the time is up. I swear to God, I couldn't
Are you
guess it.
kidding me?
Is it a board?
Are you kidding me? This is a pencil. This is a paper. This is a pencil. Oh my God! You did it on purpose.
I didn't do it on
She
purpose.
wants me to lose. She
I
did it on
didn't do it
purpose.
on
You need
purpose.
to look how good this
No,
looks
but I
like.
seriously thought it was a boat. I couldn't understand. पहले मुझे लगा बैंगन है
How? बैंगन कैसे हो सकता है इतना लंबा?
ये ऐसे से हो सकता है.
मतलब how is this a boat?
Like the river rafting board.
मतलब खुले आम cheating.
मैंने नहीं करी है. मेरी शक्ल देखो. मेरी शक्ल देखो.
Oh my God! This is happening on purpose.
It
This
did
is
happen
so
on
good.
purpose. It
This
did
looks
happen.
like a pencil.
It's okay. I am winning. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. चलो, okay. 3, 2, 1. कैसे बनाते हैं?
Is this a cat? Is this a cat with an eyebrow?
Oh shit!
A cat with an eyebrow and ears? Horse? Is this a pony?
No. No. What do these
10,
things?
9,
Oh.
8, 7, 6. This is a horse.
No.
This is a horse with a unibrow.
That's not.
Time's up. 3, 2, 1, 0. What is this? What was this?
This is failure. This is what failure looks like.
This is so bad. But what was it?
It was a dog.
हाय हाय मिट्टी
sorry.
देख लेना सुसाइड कर ले बेचारे उसकी जाति को कैसे बना दिया है.
Shit. Anyway.
This is so bad. So this round will determine who wins. I think me, but let's see.
I think me, because we're even right now. So I think me. A girl with more sass definitely wins.
Excuse me, you'll do it on purpose again and then I could lose. Like,
No,
okay,
I swear to God, I won't. I didn't do it the last one also on purpose, so no.
I'm so alagao.
Indian flag.
Are you mad?
Pizza.
Oh my God.
I made her win. Okay. Well, that didn't go so well, did it now? Neha, just like, please stop it.
Oh my God.
Okay, that was pretty much expected, but then I did really good because obviously. Damn it for them. In 3, 2, 1, damn it.
We did it in the opposite direction. Now
Okay, 1, 2, 3, damn it.
फिर से गलत किया.
1, 2, 3, damn it.
Why? Do it in this direction, okay?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, damn it. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up because we are sweating and we did this in like really hot conditions.
Probably like 60 degrees.
Like 60 degrees and we're like burning, so we really deserve a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button right down
Which side
below.
is subscribe?
It's some side, the red button that you see. Also hit the bell icon sign to always get an update from me whenever I post a new video, and I upload a new video every Monday. And make sure you guys go follow her on Instagram, and she has a YouTube channel as well where she teaches tutorials and she tells about her life.
I
and all
just
that
basically
jazz.
talk about my life. But follow me on Instagram because that is where the fun stuff happens. I
fun
make
stuff
comics and we are also making a comic on this particular situation which you should definitely
You have to
check
see this,
out.
yeah. We'll be giving like behind the scenes and bloopers and whatnot on her Instagram page. So make sure you go follow on her Instagram page, and also if you
Which
like,
is Neha.doodles, by the way.
if you like my face, you can go follow me on Instagram as well. I mean, I wouldn't mind. I wouldn't mind. So we will see you guys very soon.
Bye!